Hey there everybody, how are you all doing? I'm Leon and welcome to another video. I produce content every day focused around video production, making money online, tutorials and business. So if those are your interests, then be sure to subscribe with notifications on. So today I'm going to be showing you how to create shapes in Premiere Pro. So without any further hesitation, let's begin. Alright everybody, so as you can see, Premiere Pro has been loaded up and essentially this is the video we're going to be working with. So essentially what you're going to do first is create a color matte. So just pick any colour you want, we're going to go for this. And this, yeah, as I said before, just go with whatever colour you want. Now, drag that across the timeline, and obviously decrease the size as well. And there we are, so you got that now. So as you can see, it's already made a shape for us, or a rectangle. But, what you're going to do now essentially is come over to Effect Controls. And now you got these options, so you can create a clip mask. So you can, create a circle and stuff. So you got a circle there. And, hold on, get that. And essentially now you can just create basically a full-on, somewhat of a triangle or something, or I don't know, something. And that is basically somewhat a way of doing it. Alright everybody, so that's it for how to create shapes in Premiere Pro. If this video was of value to you, then be sure to subscribe with notifications turned on for more content. Give the video a thumbs up and share it to help it rank in search results to help the channel grow. And if you have any questions or feedback, then please do not hesitate in leaving them down below or leave me a message at leonofficial_17. Thank you all for watching and I'll see you in another video. Take care everybody.